Created by MyGuide. How to use autofill handle in Excel. Look at days. What we want is autofill rest of days in remaining rows. This is what we want. Also look at numbers. We want to autofill numbers by incrementing next number in row by 1. How can we do that? Note handle is in the corner of the cell, lower right corner. Just grab it with mouse, press down in mouse and hold it. Let's first focus on days. Highlight cell and grab the handle in the corner and drag it down. If we just drag and drop, it will not work here like days. Why? Here is the right formula. We say that give me one more than earlier cell in this cell. In B4 cell we say give M4 B3 plus 1. We need to enter formula. What do we want in next row is plus 1 to earlier number. Drag the mouse down and release it. You will not see autofill for days. Woohoo! We got what we wanted. For a very long list of rows, just use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D, highlight list and press Ctrl+D. Now we can drag and drop to extend formula. Now let's do same for number. Thank you. Created by MyGuide. Publish free videos via MyGuide. Just Google MyGuide.